On the road again.
On the road again.
Welcome to Truck and Travel. I'm Derek.
I'm Cinnamon.
Today we're picking up just south of Columbus, Ohio, and we're going over the next state over to Pennsylvania. We're going to drop off in a suburb of Pittsburgh. And yeah, that's all I got to say about that. Cinnamon, tell us about this load.
So this load has a little bit more pallets than we're used to. Usually it's like 1 to 3 pallets and stuff, but this load says that there are 7 pallets, which we can take, which is fine. So there's 7 pallets, and it says that it's supposed to be around 2,300 pounds. So we'll see if they need any more pallets or if it weighs anything different when we get there. But it is a temperature load. So it's in Celsius, and the set point is 21. So usually it's lower than that. So this is actually a warmer, you know, like room temperature type load and stuff. So Derek, why don't you tell us a little bit about the weather?
Well, Cinnamon, it's a little bit colder than I'd like, but it's not as warm as I'd like. You know, it's often that it could be worse, could be better type deal. It's raining outside. At least it's not freezing, I can say that. At least it's not sleeting, hailing, snowing. It's just raining. So, I mean, it could be way worse. It's not too windy outside. It's doable. At least we're not driving a flatbed and we got to strap stuff down outside. You know, 8 pallets. That would take a little bit longer than 1 pallet to strap down. So at least it's all in the box. And yeah, sounds like we got a full truckload. Road warriors! Let's go on and do these miles. If you're interested in doing what we do and driving one of these trucks for a living, reach out to Hyfield Trucking at the link and phone number in the video description. Let them know Truck and Travel sent you. Come on. All right, guys, we're loaded up. It ended up being 5 pieces. They thought it was going to be 7, didn't they?
Yeah.
Did they
give
give
only
you
like 1,591 pounds instead of 2,300 also. So
Okay.
it's less weight, less pallets,
Yeah.
and it is currently beautiful outside.
Yeah. This mess again. It's still going on. I think
Rainwater is good for your hair. There's a lot of nutrients in the rain.
that's what she says. I don't
Unless
know.
you're in a very toxic area, then probably not.
I like to stay dry and high, or that doesn't sound good,
No, it
does
doesn't. What the heck are you talking about?
High off the ground and
He's
dry.
high
I
off
don't-
life. Okay. Okay. I
But
know
they
you
say if
mean.
you're standing on the pot, you're high on the pot.
Oh, that one guy said that this morning.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sorry.
Anyway.
Dad jokes. This is awkward.
It's raining.
We're loaded. We're ready to go. Let's get this over with because it's
Bye.
raining. I hope it clears up a little bit. All right, let's do this.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Goodbye.
Well, guys, we made it to our destination over here around the Pittsburgh area. It's like between sprinkling and raining right now. The whole trip was just like that. I did check in to see if they would let us drop early because I seen there was another truck here unloading, but it was like local FedEx. And they said there's a special crew that deals with like the reefer loads, so we're gonna have to wait until the morning, which that's okay. That's what we was expecting anyways, but I had my hopes up. It would have been kind of cool to turn and burn, but that's all right. I'm gonna go ahead and take my break. I drove straight through, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my break and then log out, eat, chill out, whatever, you know. Then Cinnamon will take over. She's sleeping right now, but it'll be on her, and we'll probably switch back before it's time to unload. So I'll probably be one driving again before you know it. But all right, let's go. All right, guys, we're unloaded. We just gotta shut the doors and head on out.
I can hear birds and everything outside, like even though it's foggy, which kind of sucks about that, and like misty and stuff, but it's warm. It's warm outside. Comparable to like, you know, regular.
Yeah, could be better, could be worse. It's pretty foggy outside, but we're gonna try to find another load and on to the next one.
On to the next one. It's really sad though. I wanted to say this real quick. There was a truck beside us and I wanted to wave and stuff, but their windows were tinted, so I don't think they could see me. And I'm like, I don't want to be waving at nobody that's there. But I did see a cat, shape of a cat in the, like, on the dash, and so I really wanted to talk to them, but I'm like, their windows are tinted. Maybe they don't want to talk to anybody. They could just be trying to block the heat.
Yeah.
So anyways, if you somehow see this, hi. We like your cat.
All right, on to the next one.
On to the next one.
See ya. God bless you guys.